performance of Mbira with Musekiwa Chingodza, our guest, a guest artist in residence for 2022. He brings this tradition from Zimbabwe that's thousands of years old, and from conversations I've had with him, I know that it's a continuously being passed down through his family for hundreds at least of years. And so he's playing Mbira with Cohen and Jennifer Kyker, two longtime friends of his who've studied with him since more than 20 years ago. And I'm Marilyn, and this is Rashida. We're going to play the hosho shakers, and we know you're going to enjoy this. Just relax and feel all the rhythms and spirituality of this music. Thank you.
I would like to thank Kutsina for putting this event together and everyone who supports this event. I really appreciate that. And let's enjoy Zimbabwean music together, the traditional music from Zimbabwe. So our first song is called Nema Msasa. Let's enjoy the music.